Storms washing through the Northeast overnight, capping a Memorial Day weekend of wild weather.
The car is shaking.
With more than 70 reported tornadoes touching down across nearly 15 states since Friday afternoon, leaving at least 24 people dead.
My mom came in and told me that we had to go bunker down.
The governor saying 5 were killed in Kentucky alone after multiple reported twisters plowed through that state Sunday night.
When it hit the floors, you could just feel the floors just wave Cali up and down.
Dawson Springs, southwest of Louisville, decimated. From above, you can see home after home shredded. 17-year-old Emma Costco took cover with her boyfriend's family in their basement, hearing the tornado's suction pull doors and drain pipes.
We go upstairs. There's nothing left, really.
Upstairs was like gone.
Yeah.
The family's grandparents sat on their bed in this nearby home, torn to pieces. Miraculously, they survived. This morning, people are also picking up the pieces in Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Valley View, Texas, where video shows an apparent tornado mangling this gas station with winds up to 140 miles per hour.
As we're running, the windows exploded around us.
The building torn apart as terrified customers took cover in bathrooms.
The powerful force was just crazy.
Hard-hit communities hoping for a break as they try to piece shattered lives back together.
And going by the numbers, 2024 now has close to 1,000 reported tornadoes so far, making it the second busiest start to a year for tornadoes ever recorded. Craig?
Yeah, it just looks terrible behind you there. Maggie, Vespa in Kentucky for us. Maggie, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.